Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. So in deeper study of the surahs, I'm going to be doing Surat Al-Mulk, ayat number 9 today. Auzubillahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Ayat number 9 is Qalu bala qad ja'ana nazirun fakazzabna wa qulna ma nazalallahu min shay'in in antum illa fi zalalin kabir. So let's look at the translation first. So, as the people are going to be brought near hell and they're about to be tossed in it, so the guardians of the hell are going to ask them that did not warner not come to them. So, this is their reply. They will say, yes, indeed, a warner did come to us, but we denied him and said that Allah has sent nothing down. You are all just greatly misguided. So, first of all, we see an open admission here of their crime. So, basically, a criminal by nature likes to deflect the crime from himself. So, never will we see a criminal admitting to the crime. So, but let's just imagine this scene that the judgment has been passed, the disbelievers are brought near the hell, and as we read in the previous ayahs, that they can hear the inhaling sound of the hell, which is really scary. So, these people know that excuses will not help them at this point. So, maybe admission of their sins can help them. So, the guards of the hell, when the guards of the hell ask them that when the guards of the hell ask them that did a warner not come to you, the confession comes pouring out of their mouths. Yes, indeed, a warner did come to us, but we denied him. So there's this word kad ja'ana. So this word ja'ana means that this word tells us that many warners came to them, or tells us that many warners came, and not only did they come, they made great efforts to make them realize the truth, but still they did not listen. And for the word for kazzabna, it means we called a lie. But what did they call a lie? Everything. No matter what the warner said to them about Allah, about revelation, about the prophet, about about the judgment day, they just denied everything. They called everything for kazabna. They called everything a lie. Allah did not reveal anything, as they said in the last part of the ayah. The way these words are arranged tells us that they would say to the warner that no, Allah did not send down anything. There's an emphasis in that, like no 2 times. So not a single book, not a single revelation, nothing has been sent down by Allah. And then the last part of the ayah, illa fi zalalim mubin. No, in antum illa fi zalalin kabir. Okay, so in the last part of our I'm massively confused. So this can have basically two meanings. The first meaning is that it can be like the disbelievers said to the warners when they warned them that you are all confused, completely confused people. You don't know what you're talking about. You are misguided. So one meaning can be this, and then there can be also a second meaning to this, and that is that as the that when the guards of the hell this is what the guards of the hell will say to the disbelievers as they are being tossed into hell, that you were clearly misguided in this world when you denied the messengers, when you denied the warners, when you said that nothing has been sent down by Allah. You were clearly misguided. So these two meanings can be taken for this last part of the ayah. So let's just review this ayah number 9. So when the as said in the previous ayah that takadu tamayyazu min al-ghaiz, the Jahannam is going to be boiling with rage. Kullama ulkiya fiha fawjan, whenever a group will be going to be tossed into it, salam khazanatuha, the khazana or the guards will ask them, alam yatikum nazir, did our warner not come to you? Then this in ayah number 9, kalu bala, they will say indeed, yes, why not? Kad ja'ana nazirun, that warners actually did come to us and they made great efforts in making us realize that what the truth is. Fakazzabna, but we just said it's a lie, everything is lie, whatever you're saying is lie. Nothing has been revealed by Allah. Wa kulna, and we said, Ma nazzalallahu min shay. Allah did not reveal anything. He did not send down any book. He did not send any prophet. He did not send anything. Ma nazzalallahu min shay. Allah did not send down anything. In antum illa fi zalalin kabir, and indeed you, all of you people, you are clearly misguided, you are clearly confused. Or when the guards of the hell are going to throw them in hell, they are going to say that, oh, you people who denied the messengers, who denied every warning that came to them, you are clearly misguided and confused people. So this is ayah number 9. Inshallah, I'll continue tomorrow with the next ayah. Fi aman Allah.